Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to return a Zalando item. So as you can see, this is the official app of Zalando, en.zalando.de. So this is the official app, so just go to this website of Zalando. And once you're on the website, so make sure to log in with your account. And once you're logged in, so what you can do is just click on this help and contact section on the upper left corner. So just click on this help and contact and they will take you to this tab. And from here, just scroll down a little bit and you can click on any of these options like my account or orders or delivery. So let's say I click on this option like orders. And once you click on orders, so they will take you to this like frequently asked questions. So after that, just click on like you will see the categories. So just click on returns and refunds. There are multiple options: account, orders, delivery, returns and refund payments. So just click on returns and refunds. And once you click on returns and refund, you will see like multiple questions. How can I return my order? Just click on this option, and once you click on this question, so they will take you to this website like how can I return my order. You can return your unused items within 30 days free of charge. And after that this is the like page of how you can return the items. You can also read other questions like when will I receive my funds within 40 days and which carrier can I use. So you can read all those instructions, and after that you will see like this page, what would you like to return. So you will see all the items that you bought. So just select the item and click on create return, and once you click on create return, that is how easily you can return items on Zalando.